Hi everyone, it's me, Misty from the Treehouse, and this parent page is kind of about using uppercase and lowercase letters. Generally in a classroom, I have a lot of time and I can actually work with kids putting the alphabet together, uppercase and lowercase. The reading component, I usually prefer to teach the phonics of the letter rather than the name of the letter, because you don't need to read. I can sound a word out with b-at, but I can't sound the word out saying b-a-t. So those sounds are really important for reading. And when we talk about the letters, uppercase and lowercase make the same sound. So using them interchangeably when you're doing phonics instruction or pre-reading instruction is really important. Another thing to consider is that all text, or let me correct that. 80% of text that we read is in lowercase letters. So when you're reading, lowercase is really, really important. So even though my pocket chart, I'm highlighting the capital letter or the uppercase of the letter, you do want to make sure that you have the corresponding lowercase letters. Now my letter set, my felt letter set that I use in my pocket chart only came in uppercase. So what I did was I went online, and you can go so many different places online and find places that you can print out and cut out the lowercase letters. And I'm just going to put those. You can start playing all kinds of matching games with them. What I did so that our little friends or our friends know that when we're doing these letters, which way they go, is I put a sticker at the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to learn a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. So some of these are the same color as the uppercase letter. It's kind of a self-correcting mechanism. And some of them are not. Here's a lowercase letter B, like in gobble gobble, but the uppercase is blue. Although I do have, in the letters that are available for them to play with, I might be able to find a green letter B. So you can have them play without the pocket chart, just matching the colors, just on the floor. And I've made, as you can kind of see, so there's a lowercase g and an O, which I don't have a lowercase o, but we can use the capital O of that color, and then go from there. So it's a way to move them from all capitals to lowercase to finding them just in regular printing. So here's fish, for example. So we spelled fish with an orange F uppercase, purple I uppercase, lowercase. There's fish. Let me find the actual word in the letters. So if we're playing with these, first we're going to make our letter F, and our signal is this isn't sign language. This is a signal system that includes and uses both sides of the brain. But let's spell the whole word fish. Bye bye gobble gobble for right now. So in our letter basket, we're looking for an orange F, a purple letter I, a yellow letter S, find a blue letter H. Those are our capital letters. But let's say we want to move to lowercase letters. You could remove these cue cards. Take our letters out another day, a different day. Put the lowercase letters in. I don't have lowercase letters on my chart, do I? But I have an orange F, so those correspond. A purple I. What letter is that? Well, it was a yellow S before, and there's an S, and there's the blue H. So now, after they get comfortable with that, F-I-S-H, F-I-S-H, F-I-S-H spells fish. Now, to do the lowercase, I like to use the target words and the target letters that we've already had. We already had F is for fish, so we know that that sound has been, we've introduced that sound, we've reinforced that sound. But what does little f look like? Here's a little F, but it doesn't look like our purple, like our big F. But you might be able to find a purple F somewhere else in your letterbox. Okay, so that's one way, parents, that you can integrate those lowercase letters and the uppercase letters together. Make a matching game out of it. So what I would do is, with my pocket chart, I have all my lowercase letters that we've used as target letters. So my lowercase letters in one basket and my uppercase letters in the other basket. And you can actually make several different games out of this. You can make just a basic matching game. The mama letter. Now let's go in the little case letters. Oops. That doesn't quite look like it. What about this letter? Well, wait a minute. Our sticker is not at the top. Let's move our sticker to the top. That's still not the right letter. How about that one? Is that letter at the top? Big B, little b, 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 Bubba Bear. So there's our big B and our little b. How about an easy one? Apple. That's green. I wonder if I have a green letter A in here. I don't think I do. Nope, no letter green, no green letter A here. But you find a blue letter A. So this is one way to reinforce matching those letters together. So I just wanted to show you that there are a lot of things you can do to link uppercase and lowercase letters and reinforce that the upper and the lower, the chicka chicka boom boom letter and the mama and papa and uncle and aunt letter all have sounds, and that those sounds are matching. So you'll see that in a little bit when we start working with our gobble gobble again today. And I guess that's all for right now. Thanks, parents, and have fun with your kids. I'll do another parent page later. Bye now.